Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and welcome to this series where we'll cover everything about how to create a profitable blog that ranks on search engines. Now, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed just yet, right now is the time to do so. Click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because this way you'll be notified every single week when we release new videos. Also, if you want to become really successful building a profitable blog, click that subscribe button, because we will come up with new content all the time on how to create a profitable blog. Now, what can you expect from this series? Well, we will create multiple videos where we cover everything from A to Z, how to do your keyword research, how to create a blog post outline, what content management system to use, what are the rules of Google, how to outrank your competition, many SEO strategies, link building strategies, guest posting strategies, really all the things you need to know in order to create a profitable blog. Also, if you didn't notice yet, I'm the founder of CMH, which is a content management system as well as a customer relationship management system, which allows you to host a blog as well. So you don't need to go out and pay additional money to hosting companies like SiteGround or Bluehost. We also have a really cool feature inside of our blog builder, which is a very simple drag and drop management system, which is called Content AI. As the name already suggests, it's an AI tool which helps you to create content in a more efficient way. I will leave a link in the description below. Sign up for your free trial, have a look around, see if you like it, because it doesn't only allow you to create a blog, it also allows you to get rid of all your other subscriptions out there. It replaces Kajabi, ConvertKit, MailChimp, WordPress, SiteGround, Calendly, and many other subscriptions out there, which you probably are currently paying for, which you can save right now. All right, without further ado, hop over to the next video and start learning how to create a profitable blog that ranks on search engines so you can make more money online. Enjoy.